Hey guys, this is Saurabh Nahai from Allbot Technologies, and as you guys requested for it, here it is, a speed test comparison between the Redmi Note 5 Pro and the Nokia 7 Plus. So yeah, without wasting any further time, let's begin. Talking about the specs, Redmi Note 5 Pro comes with Snapdragon 636 processor, which has 8 Kryo 260 cores clocked at 1.8 GHz, Adreno 509 GPU, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Whereas Nokia 7 Plus comes with Snapdragon 660 processor, which has 8 Kryo 260 cores, of which 4 are clocked at 1.8 GHz and the rest 4 are clocked at 2.2 GHz. It has Adreno 512 GPU, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage. Now before starting with the test, there was no data on both the devices. Both the devices were updated to the latest software, all apps were updated and no apps were running in the background. With that out of the way, let's start with the speed test. First, let's open Chrome browser, and here you can see Nokia 7 Plus is a millisecond faster than the Redmi Note 5 Pro, but this is just the start as things might change at the end of the test, so stick around till the end. So as you guys can see over here, not a huge difference. Both the devices are going almost neck to neck, and now both the devices are on Amazon application. And Nokia 7 Plus is just a second or less faster than the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now moving on to the Temple Run 2 game. Seems like Nokia 7 Plus is 1 or 2 seconds faster than the Redmi Note 5 Pro in opening up games, which could be because of the better GPU. Nothing can be said as of now, but don't worry, I have got you covered. We will do a side-by-side comparison between both the devices at the end when it comes to opening up games on both the devices. Both the devices are on YouTube, but as you can see, Nokia 7 Plus is just taking the lead here again. Last game on the test, which is Alto's Adventure. Now both the devices are on this particular game. Let's see who wins this first round of opening up applications. So Nokia 7 Plus just finished the round at 1 minute and 27 seconds, and it has moved on to memory management round, whereas Redmi Note 5 Pro just completed it at 1 minute and 33 seconds. Now let's see if both the devices have got all the applications in memory or not. So as you guys can see, both the devices still now have all the applications in memory, but here again Nokia 7 Plus is just taking the lead and Redmi Note 5 Pro is just following the Nokia 7 Plus. So Nokia 7 Plus just finished the test at 1 minute and 54 seconds, whereas Redmi Note 5 Pro finished it at 1 minute and 58 seconds, which is just 4 seconds difference. So overall, both the devices did well. Now it's time to do a side-by-side test when it comes to opening up games. First, let's open Asphalt 8 and let's see which device loads up first. Guys, do keep a note that both the devices have their own pros and cons, but I must say that both the devices did a fantastic job in this particular test. Here you can see Nokia 7 Plus is a bit faster than the Redmi Note 5 Pro, which is because it has a better GPU than the Redmi Note 5 Pro. Now let's open Temple Run 2. And once again, Nokia 7 Plus is a bit faster. One thing I want to mention here is that for the price, Redmi Note 5 Pro does a fantastic job, but Nokia 7 Plus has its own pros and cons, even though it is slightly expensive. So let me know if you would want to see a full comparison between both the devices, or if you want to see a camera comparison, just let me know that in the comment section and I will definitely try to do that for you guys. And yeah, that's pretty much it for this speed test. Here is a quick reboot test for you guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button as that would mean a lot. Make sure you subscribe if you're new here and become a part of AAT fam. Also, don't forget to hit that bell icon because only then you will get notified. Make sure to follow me on all my social media networks. Links will be there in the description box along with the links to purchase these devices. That's it guys. This is Saurabh Nahar. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.